As you may or may not know, there's a big area around our vehicle in which we cannot see while we're sitting in the car. Now this area can contain anything from glass to a bicycle to animals to even people. In this lesson, there's an exercise designed to show our teen the importance of doing a walk around their car. So grab a piece of chalk and we'll get started. First, stand outside the vehicle with our piece of chalk in hand while our teenager sits in the driver's seat. Next, position ourselves at the center of the hood. Instruct our teenager that we will be walking backwards away from the vehicle and that they should honk their horn at the first sight of our feet. Third, start to walk backwards away from the vehicle, and when we hear the horn honk, stop wherever we're at and make an X. Repeat the same procedure for several different locations around the car. When we have completed all the locations, have our teenager get out of the vehicle and connect all the X's. All right, let them do all the manual labor. They should notice that there's a big oval drawn around their car. Inform them that the area inside the circle represents the area that we cannot see while sitting in the driver's seat. Look at how much space there is towards the back of our vehicle. A lot of things can hide in that area. Hopefully, this lesson will once again emphasize the importance of doing a quick walk around before we jump in our car. In this exercise, we want to remember that there's a huge area around the vehicle in which we cannot see. Therefore, we need to emphasize to our teen the importance of doing a walk around every time before they get in the vehicle.